I'm good. आप अली के दोस्त हो, अली का गेम सफर कैसा लग रहा है बिग बॉस के घर में?
I think it's fantastic, and I'm really liking it. The way he is playing, and there's something with the genuine people. The way they play, it always comes across really nice.
Okay, so अली का जैसे कि हमने देखा था कि he came inside to support Jasmine, but later he himself stayed. So many people have blamed Ali, कि Jasmine के eviction का main reason is कोई और नहीं बल्कि अली गोनी ही है. So do you think the same कि अली की वजह से आज Jasmine बाहर है?
No, I don't think that way. I think Ali had a very clear picture in his mind when he entered the Big Boss house, and he wanted to go inside the house to support Jasmine. But see, it's something about his personality. He's a very strong personality, right? So eventually, people started liking him, and then things just kept changing. But I won't agree to the thing that because of him, Jasmine got evicted. I think those two stories are very separate, and I think he was really disturbed because of that. Because he must have thought that he tried his best to support Jasmine, but somehow I think due to the viewers, they have their own thing, and it was because of the voting that she went out. But I could see how devastated he was when Jasmine was evicted. So I don't think I'll agree to that. That because of him the game got spoiled or something like that. I think it's a very individual thing inside. So yeah,
Okay,
that's
and
about it.
many people have stated that as well. कि Ali somewhere have influenced Jasmine because Jasmine was confused in her game. उसे समझ नहीं रहा था और अली ने कहीं ना कहीं उसे इन्फ्लुएंस किया और वो अली से इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाती थी and that's the reason Jasmine has lost her plot. So do you
See,
think कि अली ने influence किया
I think
Jasmine
I
को?
think people, viewers like us, we look at from one angle because the way we perceive things, it's totally different inside the house. And it's not like he confused Jasmine with her game or something. He was always trying to tell her the right thing, and that is how friends are, right? Like in real life also. Outside, if I take you outside the screen, ठीक है अभी हम टीवी में नहीं हैं तो this is how things work out ना one person if there is a friend of mine or somebody I really care about or some person who cares about me he'll always try to guide you in the right direction so I don't think that one hour of episode we can actually understand what all is going through those 24 hours तो इसमें ये तो एक व्यूअर का डिस्क्रिप्शन पे है कि वट एवर वे दे वांट टू थिंक एंड एवरीबडी थिंक्स इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर सो आई थिंक it is unfair the way people are telling that it is because of Ali that something has happened. I don't believe that.
Okay, Ali और Jasmine की chemistry कैसी लगती है? How do you look like Ali and Jasmine? How they like together? How they look?
Oh, they're a house on fire. Like it's
Yeah.
completely amazing the way I see them together and the way they, I think it's phenomenal. I just love their chemistry. The bond is amazing, and I think it's pretty evident also. Even see, I know them outside the house also, and I've always seen that chemistry. They're very, happy-go-lucky type of people, so they're always enjoying the moment, and yeah, they totally. And there's one thing that I've seen that there's a lot of respect for each other in that friendship relation or whatever relation you can call it because that khulasa happened only inside the house that Ali has something for Jasmine and they want to carry it forward to the next level or they want to get in a relationship or probably I don't know whatever talks have been going on but yeah they definitely I love their chemistry it's amazing.
Okay, and what do you have to say about Ali और राहुल की दोस्ती पे? Even they are good buddies now, they like a brother. तो इसमें क्या लगता है आपको कि अली की तरफ से प्योर है, राहुल की तरफ से प्योर है, या फिर जब टॉप टू होगा तो क्या इनकी दोस्ती टूटेगी और किसकी तरफ से पहल होगी? What do you feel?
सी दोस्ती इज नॉट समथिंग वो जो ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातों पे इंसान बना लेगा और तोड़ देगा. What I really understand looking at Ali's body chemistry, I think उसकी body language show करती है कि वो he is really fond of Rahul. So and I know Ali उस regard में भी कि whenever he makes friends, it's not just because he wants to be in the game or या फिर वो एक temporary basis पे. he's always suppose I understand Ali. I think for a very long time I have been with him. So what I see on the screen, I think the feeling for Rahul, that brotherhood and that friendship, I find it really genuine, and I don't think he'll back out because of any goddamn reason. कि अभी finale है तो I think it's a game. I think both of them will very respectfully they play their game. And Rahul को मैं पहले से नहीं जानता हूँ. I don't know him personally. But I think he also listens to what Ali has to say, and vice versa. I mean, they both, I think, kind of try to improve each other's game. So that's a beautiful thing to watch.
ओके, सो आप अली को कब मिले, कितने साल से आप जानते हो और आपकी पहली मुलाकात कैसे हुई अली के साथ, उसके ऊपर अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहो।
See, I know Ali for a very long time now. We were actually back in school, seventh standard. I was in KC Public, and he joined that school in seventh standard. So it was like an initial connect. There was a friend of my brother's, and usne Ali was somehow related to him. So just randomly we met, and we were going by car somewhere, and he joined us. So it was like, an instant वो जो friendship है ना, that moment was very जबरदस्त सा moment था, and we became friends, and from that time till now I think we have been very strong, and it's almost been, I think, 2 decades or maybe more.
दैट्स ग्रेट। ओके, सो अली की कौन सी ऐसी क्वालिटीज है जो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं एंड यू थिंक कि ये गेम में अली को वो सारी क्वालिटीज हेल्प कर रही है।
अली की क्वालिटीज जो है वो आई डोंट नो गेम में उसको हेल्प कर रही है नहीं कर रही है, बट ऐसे उसकी क्वालिटीज है दैट सी ही इज समबडी हु रियली cares about people, and it's not like just to show that I care. And he's genuinely there for all his friends or family, so definitely everybody tries to be there for the family, but other than that I think he's the most genuine person I have really met. And वही है मेरा, आज आज तक वो साथ में है, कोई भी अच्छा काम हो बुरा काम हो साथ में किए हैं, लेकिन कभी भी कभी जरूरत हो किसी भी चीज की हो, so that man is always standing behind you, always.
ओके, घर में अली और अभिनव का झगड़ा चल रहा है और हमने देखा है कि बहुत ही गंदा हो रहा है। इनफैक्ट रुबीना की फैमिली फैंस और उनकी फैमिली तक ने ये भी कहा कि अली एक अच्छा दोस्त नहीं है, रुबीना से लाइक उससे दूर रहना चाहिए, और अभिनव और अली का बहुत झगड़ा हो रहा है घर के अंदर। सो व्हाट डू यू फील, उसमें कौन सही है कौन गलत है और क्या कहना चाहोगे आप?
सी सही और गलत इज अ वेरी रिलेटिव थिंग. हर बंदे को अलग परसेप्शन है, हर बंदे की अलग परसेप्शन है, हर तरह से सोचने का तरीका अलग है, बट व्हाट आई फील, Ali is a very strong contestant in the house, and hands down everybody knows about it. Everybody knows that he is one, that alpha male in the house. So I think Abhinav has tried to find a game in Ali of late, that he's trying to get, indulge more with Ali, so that that space is created where Abhinav and Ali, that camera space or screen space he can get, or
ओके,
he's
सो
getting.
कोई
I think
ऐसे
he's also playing really well, but Ali being a very strong contestant, people want to somehow quarrel with him, so
राइट,
that they can get in that picture. Yeah, he's a very strong
यस,
contestant, and I can see that on the screen. Yeah.
ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अली की ऐसी कोई, अगर आप बताना चाहो कोई किस्सा या फिर कोई ऐसी स्टोरी या कुछ ऐसी मेमोरी अली और जैस्मिन को लेके जो बहुत ही डिफरेंट है, अलग है, थोड़ी स्पेशल है, इफ यू कैन शेयर।
Ali and Jasmine together, I think we have been to this place called Gulmarg in Kashmir, and I think there are so many special memories. वहाँ पे तो the way we were chilling out, and actually क्या हुआ था, our cars were stuck in the snow. We were there, snowfall हो गया, और उस टाइम पे how I think what I like the most in anybody is that people are smart, they're understanding, and that day I could actually see that understanding when we were stuck somewhere in the snow, and Ali and Jasmine were also there, and Jasmine being from the other part of the country, she was not used to the climate and everything, but she held up really well, and there's always a fuss with women कि ये करना है, वो करना है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, वो नहीं होना चाहिए, and it was magical the way it was so smooth. We were stuck in some calamity, but we just came out of it so sweetly. So I think that is one thing I would really like to remember, how people can be, because under pressure everybody breaks. Yeah, so these people
Right.
were always very, positive and being there for each other.
Yes, and they are even absolutely real that we can see as well. And
Yeah.
apart from that, if I ask you, आप टॉप 5 में किसको देखते हो? तो अली के साथ आप किन और कंटेस्टेंट को देखते हो टॉप 5 में?
I think Ali definitely, and Rahul is there. Rubina is a really good contestant. Then I don't know, but somehow I feel that Rakhi will be there in top five because of the content she gives to the channel, and people somehow tend to like it. So Rakhi, and fourth one, I don't know. I don't know. The fifth one,
Okay, top
I'm
3.
really confused. I
Top
think I
3.
have the top four in my mind. I don't know about the rest.
Okay, and if not Ali, so what do you think कि अगर अली नहीं जीतते हैं तो ऐसा कौन सा कंटेस्टेंट है जो बिग बॉस सीजन जीत सकता है? If not Ali, then
I think Rahul should be there. Rahul has held
Rahul.
his ground really well, yeah. And he's pretty firm with his beliefs, so I think that's the person who can go forward, yeah.
बट डोंट यू फील कि ऐसे चीटिंग हो जाएगा रुबीना और अभिनव के साथ बिकॉज अली राहुल निकी और इनफैक्ट भी इजाज भी हर कोई बाहर जाके आया सो दे नो देयर गेम बिकॉज वो लोग घर के बाहर आए थे एंड चीजें देखी है एंड घर के अंदर जो लोग अभी तक है कांस्टेंट वो सिर्फ रुबीना और अभिनव ही बचे हैं सो ये कहीं पार्शलिटी का चीटिंग नहीं लगती आपको
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो. अगर एक हफ्ते में आप घर जाके सारा कुछ बदल सकते हो, तो आप तो फिर मतलब देन इट्स महाभारत एंड यू हैव टू बी Bhishma Pitama to know everything. So I don't think 1 week of absence from the house can really bring in that change, or you've seen something. See, if somebody wants to change their perspective, या उनको अपना वो change करना है, अपना behavior change करना है, it will come across really strong on the screen. वो दिखता है कि ये इंसान जो है अब ये देख के आया है और ये बदलने की कोशिश कर रहा है. But I don't think I have seen that with all the contestants you've named who have gone out and come back. I think the way they were playing before, they have continued the same stride. तो उनका कोई वो partiality या वो सब चीजें, I'm sure they got aware about a lot of things outside, but then did it really affect their game inside the house? I don't think so. Because
all
there are
right
people
so
who are genuine people. They will play the way they want to play. So circumstances will keep changing the person का जो अपना person's nature and the way he handles things, that won't change. Because Big Boss के घर में हर बारी आपको एक अलग situation में डाल दिया जाता है. Sometimes even the best of friends, they have been put into different teams and उनको लड़ाया जाता है आपस में. But does it
right
really change a thing after the task is over? No, I don't think so.
all right so lastly जाने से पहले अली के फैंस और बिग बॉस लवर से क्या कुछ मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे
यही बोलूंगा, प्लीज सपोर्ट माय बडी अली, एंड आई थिंक ही इज अ वेरी वेरी genuine person, and he's a wonderful game player. So whatever you see inside Ali, I can assure you that this is Ali 100%, and there is no fake propaganda, there is no false friendships, no false hope, nothing. So he's always that brash on the face, जो बोलना है वही बोलना है, और there is no बनावटीपन. So I think I would like somebody like this who is real in the screen also. I would like somebody like this to win. So please keep supporting Ali, and I wish him the best. Yeah.
all right thank you so much and it was pleasure talking to you thanks for giving us